Integrations is the process. Maybe we are connecting with different systems or different applications. Where do you see generally this part? Connecting to different applications in your regular, very regular your life. Maybe if you're opening any food court, food application like Amazon, sorry, Zomato or Swiggy or e-commerce applications like Amazon. Okay. Do you see any other application in the Amazon? If yes, where do you see any other systems, other applications? Where you will see those?
In payment gateways, they are integrating some other.
Correct. In the payment gateways, you will see different kind of applications. Correct. UPI, yeah. What will be there? I'm just taking the example of it. Not only payment gateways, generally use Amazon or Flipkart or Zomato, right? There you will see different kind of payment options. Correct. What you see? UPI you will see, right? Maybe the other payment gateways, right? Amazon Pay, this pay, that pay, credit card pay, internet banking, credit, like that and all you will see. But are they related to your application? Means Amazon. Are they related to Amazon? Are they built by the Amazon?
No. No.
Kada?
No.
What are they doing? They are connecting two systems, correct? Means Amazon with different kind of systems, correct or not? Is that calling as integration?
Yes, yes, sir.
Because they are different systems. UPI is different system and Amazon is different system. They are connecting each other and utilizing it. Because in the competitive market, if you develop any product, for example, this is my product. Okay, A is my product. This product should be able to work with other products also. Means connecting to other product also nowadays. If that is not possible, usually in the competitive market, you may lose the business because UPI should not be able to connect to the Amazon. UPI will be losing the business or not? How many transactions will be happen daily basis? So many, correct?
Yes, sir.
UPI will be lost the business, right? So nowadays, any product which is coming in the market, that should be able to connect to any system. Usually, generally, that can be done by the integration. Okay. Also, but how it will be connected? For example, A is one of the product Amazon and GPay is one of the product. Okay, it is connected to this system, correct? This is connected to this system, correct or not? Okay, so how it is connected? Usually, any system, any software application, okay, any system or any software application, it can be anything. To connect to each other, there is a concept in the IT called API. Concept means I don't say concept. With help of this, it will be connected. The entire concept can be calling as a integration. But how it will connect? The process I am calling as integration. But how it will be connecting each other? Via this API,
APIs.
application programming interface. There is a structure API. Instead of directly I am talking to you, I will send you via this. Via this, I can do that. Because, okay, for example, mm, it's okay, let it be. Maybe it will be different. So API only, do remember this point. API, via API, I connect to any system in the IT world. In the IT world, via API, we can build it to any system. But who will give these APIs? For example, okay, for example, in our system, let's to take up, okay, there is a service now. Okay, service now. In the service now, A instance is there. A instance number A. Similar way, other instance is there, the instance name is B. Just I'm taking the example. Okay. So for now, whenever incident is created here in the A system, automatically it should get created in the incident in the B system. Automatically. I should not do it manual thing. Okay. So now you tell me A is connected to B or not? A is connected to B, ServiceNow. Both are ServiceNow, let's assume. Different instances. For example, my instance is something, dev001. Your instance is 002. But when I am creating the incident or some operation, it should be done the same thing in the dev002 also. There are two instances. This is 001, dev002. So now what concept can be involved? Directly, is that possible?
No, sir.
Live sync up is possible. Live
No.
sync up. Because the moment it is created here, it should be created here. Live sync up data. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is that possible via
Not.
manually?
No.
Answer is no. How it will be possible? Via this concept, integration. But why it is introduced? Usually, sometimes, uh, IT desk people or someone, right? Some people wouldn't be able to, use our system due to limitation of the roles or something. Maybe people will be use Jira, IT desk team. Okay. In the Jira also same structure will be there. In the service now, the incidents will be created. Okay, same thing it will be created in the Jira. Then they will get it from there. There they will update, there they will work on, then it will come back to service now, any updations. But any system, not only Jira. But we are learning not only specific to any tool. Okay, if we learn something today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow for 2 to 3 sessions, we should be able to do it for any system. That is a process. Now, I don't have any Jira details for now. I had two systems. Two systems are ServiceNow A, ServiceNow B. Okay, from ServiceNow A to ServiceNow B, I wanted to be send the data. Correct? From A to here only, na? Whenever incident is created in the ServiceNow A 001, it should be created in the ServiceNow B system 002 instance dev. Then for me, okay, I am the A person. For me, I'm sending the data or not? Okay, let's think here, think from here. Okay, think from here. You are sending the data to B system or receiving the data to my system.
Sending. Sending data. Sending data A to B.
Sending the data, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for B system, how it will be?
Receiving. Receiving the data.
Receiving the data, correct? It's same like outgoing and incoming calls. For example, there are two people, maybe A is one of the guy, B is one of the guy. Okay, you open your mobile and you dialed a B number. For A, it is outgoing or incoming? From A, you dialed some number, B number,
Outgoing.
outgoing. For B, how it will be showing for them? In the outgoing or incoming?
Income.
Coming.
Incoming, right? From here to here, whenever you are sending it, okay, that is outgoing call. So here, whenever you are sending the data from A system to B system, that can be calling as for A outbound integration. It's same like outbound and inbound, where we had seen this,
Email notification.
right? Outbound means I'll be A, for me, it is outbound. Correct? For external system, I'm calling as it as an external system. It can be any system. For now, we are taking as a service now. For them, it will be inbound integration. Correct? So for me, it is outbound integration. Correct or not? Can you tell me? mean
Yes.
from my system to another system.
Yes,
Confuse
sir.
avod. Don't get confused. Okay, outbound. Just align with the incoming calls and outgoing calls. That's it. Okay. You are here for you outbound integration. For them, it will be inbound because they are receiving the data. So here they are the sender and they are the receiver. That's it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next question. Next question. What you need it here to call to B number? What you need it to dial to the B number?
First, we need the numbers.
Maybe I wanted to be talked to you. I need the number. Correct? Without number, shall I able to connect to you?
No.
No, right? Here. So in similar way, for example, I wanted to be connect to which system? From ServiceNow to other ServiceNow. From other ServiceNow, I need some details. What details I need? These details I need it. So here phone number, usually. Here API details. To connect to the system, we need the API details. But what structure is the API, sir? Just open, just type API details, API structure. Or let's open ours. White image. I'm going somewhere. Here I had inserted the API details. How the structure, I'll tell you. Anybody knows API details? What it is consisting API? Okay, I'm opening it. This is the API. API where I can do something. Okay, but API details are there. So for example, I'm opening one API.
Like HTTP method, sir.
Yeah, that is called API. So this is API details. Okay, maybe it is get, it is post, but what are those? I will tell you. Okay, I wanted to be connect to this system. Then what I need it? Their URL, correct? To connect to B system, I need the URL of them, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
I need, okay, it is also consisting the information of the table also. So which table that and all. Okay, but you can't guess it will be every time it is same. Every time means if B system is given you the API details. Usually other system should give you the API details. We are not the right person to generate the APIs. For example, A system is there. A system needs the API details from the B. B will provide you the API details for A. Then only A can be able to send the data to B. So that what they will give you their URL to connect to their system. Okay. And okay. By the way, if I ask you manually, how do you connect to B system ServiceNow? How will you log in?
Their instance, their username and password.
Their instance URL, correct?
Yes, sir.
Username and the password, correct? Without this, can you able to touch this instance directly?
No.
No. In the similar way, in the API also can be having the URL. This is the URL. Next, API also can be having the authorization, username and the password. Okay. And also it can be consisting the structure of the body. What shall I send? When I say incident, in the incident, what fields shall I send the data? For the short description, what data? For the description, what data? Likewise, you can have multiple fields as per the requirements. Okay, these fields are from B system. This is the data where I should send. Okay, so this is structure, API detail structure. That's it, nothing else. You will be consisting URL. It will be consisting the structure of the body. It can be consisting the authorization part. And you are sending the data, right?
Yes,
Sending
sir.
means posting. Okay. Sending means posting. That's it. Post means sending the data. So for posting the data, you will have